Huaxing is capable of manufacturing products complying with AS3566 Australian Standard. Huaxing can also manufacture non-standard products based on special requests or customized specifications. In addition, Huaxing is also capable of hexavalent and trivalent chromate conversion coating, mechanical galvanizing with zinc-tin alloy, Russet coating, Dacronized coating, as well as color powder coating, and making nylon screw heads. Now let me introduce a successful business case of our AS3566 CLASS4 Australian Standard products. Huaxing product lines include a variety of Australian Standard fastener products, top-ranked in China. Our company has 25-year experience manufacturing fasteners of Australian Standard. Our Australian Standard products have achieved a high market share in Australian fastener market. More than half of our total exports are Australian Standard products.